ये क्लास 10th जियोग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 7 लाइफलाइन ऑफ नेशनल इकोनॉमी। इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को पढ़ेंगे। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे आपके पास तक हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचते रहें। साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाई इज देयर द नीड ऑफ फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम mention any one reason? Answer: the movement of goods and products from the supply locations to demand locations, markets, necessitates the need for transport. Next question: which are the different types of transport? Answer: the transport can be classified into land, water, and air transport. Next question: mention two types of airways. Answer: domestic airways and international airways. Next question: what are the factors for growing importance of the roadways? State two factors. Answer: construction cost of roads is much lower than that of railway lines. It provides door-to-door service. Next question: how are roads classified in India? Answer: in India, roads are classified into 6 classes as mentioned below: golden quadrilateral superhighways, national highways, state highways, district roads, other roads that link rural areas with towns, border roads. Next question: what is road density? Answer: the length of road per 100 square kilometer of area is known as density of roads. Next question: what was national average density of roads in 1996 to 1997? Answer: the national average density of roads in India in 1996 to 1997 was 75 kilometer per 100 square kilometer. Next question: mention one drawback of roads in India. Answer: most of the bridges and culverts are old and narrow. Next question: when and where the first train steamed off in India? Answer: in India, the first train steamed off from Mumbai to Thane in 1853, covering a distance of 34 kilometers. Next question: the northern plains provide favorable conditions for the growth of the railways. Mention any two. Answer: vast level land, high population density. Next question: why railway tracks are laid with difficulty in Rajasthan? Answer: it is difficult to lay railway lines on the sandy plain of Rajasthan. Next question: in recent times, which railway has been developed among the west coast? Answer: Konkan Railway. Next question: the railways is facing many problems. Mention any two problems. Answer: many passengers travel without ticket. People pull the chain unnecessarily. Next question: what is the use of pipelines transport? Answer: pipelines are used for transporting crude oil, petroleum products, and natural gas from oil and natural gas fields to refineries, fertilizer factories, and big thermal power plants. Next question: there are 3 important network of pipeline transport in country. Mention any one. Answer: gas pipeline from Hazira in Gujarat connects Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh via Bijaypur in Madhya Pradesh. It has branches to Kota in Rajasthan, Shahjahanpur, Babrala, and other places in Uttar Pradesh. Next question: why are the waterways useful? State any 2 advantages. Answer: waterways are the cheapest means of transport. It is a fuel efficient and environment friendly mode of transport. Next question: which waterways have been declared as national waterways by the government? Answer: the Ganga waterways, The Ganga River between Allahabad and Haldia, 1620 kilometer, national waterways number 1. The Brahmaputra River between Sadia and Dhubri, 891 kilometer, national waterways number 2. The West Coast Canal in Kerala, 205 kilometer, national waterways number 3. Next question, what is the length of India's coastline? Answer, 7,516.6 kilometer. Next question, which port was the first port developed after independence and why? Answer, Kandla in Kutch was the first port developed after independence to ease the volume of trade on Mumbai port in the wake of loss of Karachi port of Pakistan after the partition. Next question, which is the biggest port? State its one feature. Answer, Mumbai is the biggest port. It has a spacious, natural and well-sheltered harbour. Next question, which is the premier iron ore exporting port of the country? Answer, Marmagao, Goa is the premier iron ore exporting port of the country. Next question, which is one of the oldest artificial port in the country? Answer, Chennai is one of the oldest artificial ports of the country. Next question, what type of port is Kolkata? Answer, Kolkata is an inland riverine port. Next question, state one feature of airways. Answer, airways is the fastest, most comfortable and prestigious mode of transport. Next question, which is the extreme southwestern port located at the entrance of a lagoon with a natural harbour? Answer, Kochi. Next question, when was air transport nationalized? Answer, in 1953. Next question, which company provides helicopter services to ONGC and where? Answer, Pavanans Helicopter Limited provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Commission in its far offshore operations. Next question, in which states special provisions have been made to provide air services to the common people? Answer, it is only in the northeastern states that special provisions are made to extend the air services to the common people. Next question, how many telephone exchanges are there in India? Answer, about 37,565. Next question, how many villages are covered with STD telephone facility in India? Answer, more than 2/3 villages in India have already been covered with subscriber trunk dialing STD telephone facilities. Next question, what is trade? Answer, the exchange of goods among people, states and countries is referred to as trade. Next question, which state are important destination for foreign tourists in India? Answer, Rajasthan, Goa, Jammu and Kashmir and temple towns of South India.